Welcome back to Twin Awesomeness. We are here at a farm to see some animals, and she's trying to ask for some M&Ms right now. Are you ready to go see some animals?
No.
What? No? Kazi, you ready to see some animals?
No.
What? You silly girls. Let's go.
I want to.
Oh, we're going. See? Horsies? There they are. Oh, this is cool. And there's chickens up there too.
Wait, where are the chickens?
See them? The little building like the chicken coop? Yeah, horsies. Hi, horsies. Oh, they're so beautiful. Are you excited? What is it, Emery? You see the chickens over there? Do you guys like the horsies? You're right. Hi, horsies. Look how big they are. How many horsies? 1, 2, 3. 3 horsies.
What's the horsey say?
One's like blindfold.
Yeah.
Yeah,
One's like blindfold.
it is. Not sure why, but here comes the chicken.
What's the chicken doing?
I don't know.
Wait, the chicken can escape.
Yeah, I think they can kind of roam, yeah.
They can really just
Hey, do you like the horsies, Avery?
I need to be in the pen.
You're funny. Where'd what go? What does the horsey say? Hey, what does the horsey say? You're so excited, Emery. It's so funny. Go see the chickens?
Oh my God, there's a snake.
Really? Like what kind? I'm gonna go slow. Where is it at?
Right there.
Oh, you're such a liar. I thought you were serious. You even got Kenzie to pop up quick.
Look, she just touched it. Look, girls, chickens. Oh, Kenzie's not gonna like this in here. Too many things sticking up.
Guys, look at the chickens.
Come on.
Wow.
Oh, she said chicken.
Really? It's cute. Oh, there's the other one coming back from the horsies. Yeah, Kenzie, how are you standing in this? You hate things touching your ankles.
I just found $1.
Woo!
Come up. Ooh, that's your lucky dollar.
That's really random.
It's like sun bleached.
Wow, that's crazy.
Wait for me. You might have to.
Aw, Avery, you like the chicken?
Hey, wait, Emmy. You can't touch that wire, okay?
Look, the other horse is rolling.
Look at Emily.
This
Maybe they
is
started
so
chasing
fun. We gotta.
Hey, wee wee, stay right here, honey.
What? He ran away.
Wait, hey.
You gotta stay here.
You gotta stay here.
Yeah, another one getting right behind you.
Mommy.
Yes.
Did you like that? Did you choose the color yellow?
So many chickens! Look at them all. Where'd what go, Avery? That's your chicken sound.
My chicken sounds pretty
And the horsies are kind of moving. Oh, there's the rooster. Yes. Yeah, we'll get going.
It's gonna get itchy.
And we'll get our pizza.
All right, let's go back.
Bye-bye, chickens.
Bye.
Look at all the cows.
Cow say.
Want to be up there like your sissy? Yeah, I'll get you up.
No, shoot.
Is that sand or dirt?
What's wrong with your shoes?
My shoe.
Thank you for watching Twin Awesomeness. I hope you enjoyed the animals we see here at the farm today. Make sure you subscribe. We'll be seeing more animals when we have a whole day at a friend's farm. Say bye. Hey, Emily, say bye.
Bye.